Anjali in front of you. So today we are here in this Gwalior Fort. So actually, right now we are standing in front of the Badal Gate. So that is called the main gate, and that is also known as the Hindola Gate also. So now we are going inside this Gwalior Fort, and we are going to see like how it will look inside it. So just come with me. Now guys, we are walking in this area, and it is such a huge place, and we need to go up to the top of the point of this Gwalior Fort. So we are just climbing on that place, and it is such a, I am getting like a heat on that place, because when you used to run or walk in that place, so you feel like warm, and you also feel like you are just doing any kind of exercise. So yeah, we are going, and we will make you see the whole. While going on the way, friends, before going up to the top of the Gwalior Fort, now we have reached at the Chaturbuj temple that you can see, and that is the temple that is basically dedicated to Lord Vishnu, and that is why it is known as Chaturbuj temple, and it is in the midway of the Gwalior Fort when we are about to reach at the top of this place. So you can see this place, and it is a temple that you can see. So it is looking like it is made on the stones, and it is looking very old also. Guys, after walking for so long time, now finally we have reached the Lakshman gate of this Gwalior Fort. So now we are going to pass this gate, and we will go inside it, and then we will about to reach the top of the Gwalior. So let's go with me. Okay, so now guys, we have reached at the Man Mandir Palace. Basically, that is also called the Mansingh Palace. So now we will go inside it. First, I would like to tell you about this palace. So if we talk about this Mansingh Palace, so that is constructed by Raja Mansingh in the 1508 AD. So you know what it is said that this palace is very beautiful from the inside, as it is having various good sculptures inside. There are many places inside it like Jhula Ghar, and even Fansi Ghar is also there, that we will come to know about it when we will go inside it, and even there is one Bhool Bhulaiya also that we are going to see. So now let's come with me as I am going inside it. Just come with me. So friends, now we have reached at the gate of the Man Mandir Palace. So it is looking very exciting that I want to go inside it. So now guys, we are inside this Mansingh Palace. So as you can see, this is the overview of this palace. So you know what, it is the central part of this area, and the fact about that, it is a place of dancing area, and this is a place where our king used to sit, that you can see, and this is a place where the queens of the kings used to sit, and the dance practices were used to perform in that place. So it is such a beautiful place, and you can see various kind of sculpture. Even there is a kind of good work that you can see at every wall of this. So friends, now we are in this Bhool Bhulaiya area, so we are going inside it, and it is also called the Fansi Ghar of this place. So just come with me. Yeah, I am also getting scared of this place, but we are going there. Oh God, it is so scary. Yeah. Okay. So it is such a long place, I think, and even a big place also. And I am feeling like if I will also forget that place, so what? No, but I remember everything. Yeah, so now this is the main place that you can see. Yeah, so this is the Fansi Ghar, I think, that people used to say about this place, as I remember somewhere. And it is looking scary and even dangerous too, and I am getting negative vibes from there. Yeah, so now we are going from there because we don't know much about it, so let's go. palace. So basically this is called the Diwan-e Khas of this Mansingh Palace. So you can see that this is the place where Maharaja and Maharani and even their ministers used to sit at this place, and even they discussed about their matters of the kingdom. So guys, actually we have visited the whole Mansingh Palace, and now we are on the way to go somewhere else.